Good day, SketchUp friends. I have got another brand new lesson for you. Once again, this is a special one that has to be done in millimeters, so hit New Model and choose Simple Template Millimeters. And then you are going to build an entire project for a change without any instructions. I'm going to tell you to name it, Dimension Challenge, and then once you've got that done, click your SketchUp folder and save it there. Your mission is to create an exact replica of this design. So understand that you've got rectangle, 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 square, hexagon, and a cylinder, and they need to be at the exact locations. I'm going to give you all those locations by using the dimension tool. So right here I'll let you know that the first piece is 100 by 20. I'll pull that out so we can see it better. I'll let you know that the height of that piece is 10. And then I'm going to continue to put dimensions all over the place so that you can just look at the shape and figure out how big everything is so you can make it. Notice there's little arrows showing you which piece I am talking about with each measurement. And then I'll try and put them in locations where they are readable. Alright, so you're going to see all of the measurements. 100 by 20 by 10. This little piece is 5 by 40. This rectangle is 35 back by 25 high. Let's tilt the world a little bit. The cylinder is 30 high and it's got a radius of 5 millimeters. This hole is 10 millimeters by 10 millimeters. And it's got a 5 millimeter wall on each side. The hexagon is 5 millimeters on a side, 20 millimeters long, centered on the rectangle, 10 millimeters down. Centered on the center of this cylinder is 20 back from the edge as well. To check this measurement, let's go to the panels, into the styles, and we want the default styles. And the one we're going to use is called X-ray. With the X-ray view turned on, then we can double check this measurement, and I'm going to show you how to prove it. I'm going to go to the midpoint of the bottom, and then it snaps to the middle, and I'm going to compare it to that corner right there. When I click on the corner and stretch it out, you can see that it's 10 millimeters across, but I want the 20 millimeters that it is sunk in. When you finish your design, I need you to use that technique to add all of these dimensions on your project, save it, and show it to me. Good luck. You can watch this movie, pause this movie so you can see all the numbers and get yours to the exact same epic level that mine is. If you found the movie helpful, please click that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please hit subscribe. You can also leave a comment below. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a new movie, click that notification bell. Thanks for watching, friends.